Austin is an amazing foodie city known for its creative takes on Tex-Mex. Of course, tacos are a must-have. Hola everyone, I'm Gabriel Paredes, junior chef from right here in Texas. I'm in this family-sized suite at Club Wyndham Austin. The kitchen's ready to go with everything your family needs to enjoy a home-cooked meal with a local flair while on vacation. I've even whipped up a few recipes to get you started. Today, we're making Migas Tacos, perfect for a quick and delicious breakfast in the comfort of your suite before you venture out to start checking off your Austin bucket list. Let's get cooking.